ये अब वही है।
ये वो जो चला रहा है उसकी शक्ल, आवाज नहीं आ रही। हाँ सारे आदमी साथ साथ जो जो बैठे हुए हैं ना, जब अपने को
रन स्टार्ट नहीं किए?
हम स्टार्ट नहीं है ना सर, काम तो स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ।
हाँ
अच्छा
दिखाई शराज नीचे काम नहीं है तुम लोगों का? ये ब्रिज नीचे सर्वेयर का कोई बंदा ही नहीं था उधर। हाँ हाँ किधर गया तुम्हारा मशीन? लेके नहीं आते हो लेवल मशीन तुम्हारा?
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
तस्वीर नहीं आ रही आप लोगों की। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अभी मीटिंग का टाइम कितना कभी है?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
है
जफर तुम्हें मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हेलो एवरीबॉडी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the first session of Energy Dispute Resolution Workshop. We will be starting this day by the name of Allah, for which I would like to call Hamad Ashraf Sahab.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. I am Saida Marij Hassan, a student of electrical engineering from FAST University, Lahore. I will be the coordinator for this workshop, for which I feel very honored. Coming to the workshop, we all know that misunderstanding, disagreements, disputes are events of common occurrences over energy billing and payments, and many of us can curb them before things get serious and go towards court actions. The basic need is a particular mindset and professional training in this field. The National Electrical Power Regulatory Authority and Central Power Purchasing Agency Limited and the electric supply companies have set forth certain billing, settlement, and payment standing operating procedures. But professional training is required for its transparent practice to fetch the confidence and satisfaction of the grieved consumers. These are established professional practices for these days, especially when international collaboration is available from the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, London, United Kingdom. They have provided a systematic knowledge of the subject today, acquiring which the young professionals can not only serve the industry but can also find means of employment for themselves. The inspectors, engineers, and government officials can acquire this know-how for better practices. Therefore, we have organized a 3-day workshop. We will have on board dialogue with our specialists who have hands-on grip on CPPAG procedures and international experts from Chartered Institute of Arbitrators. The topics that will be covered are actors of energy system in Pakistan, costing and tariff setting, loads of litigation and results, alternative dispute resolution system in Pakistan, comparison of systems in ERRA countries, the Atlantic Council report, Transparency International, resolving energy disputes, and alternative dispute resolution. The first half of today's session will be conducted by Dr. Engineer Javed Yunus Opal and Engineer Amir Zamir Khan. Dr. Javed Opal is a BSc Civil Engineers with honours and 4 gold medals, a PhD from University of London, Chartered Civil Engineer member of Institution of Civil Engineers UK, and members of American Society of Civil Engineers USA. With over 30 papers published, he has represented Pakistan at international levels. As a mark of his innovative contributions in engineering, he has been mentioned in Who's Who in the world. He has over 45 years of experience of project within Pakistan, UK, and USA. He has served IEP for decades, even without a portfolio, and is presently the president of Lahore Center, bridging IEP with PEC, obtaining membership of World Mobility Forum, establishing regular accredited CBD courses, and training to meet power shortage on self-generation basis. Engineer Amir Zamir Ahmed Khan completed his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore in 1983 and MBA from Lahore University of Management Sciences. He has over 35 years of professional experience in different fields, including monitoring, implementation and evaluation, engineering consultancy, power distribution, transmission and grids, operation and maintenance, power protection, power transformers reclamation, power management, research and development, and HR and administration. He is also Oracle Certified Professional, Database Administrator, and ICCT Certified Professional of Primavera Project Planner. For more than 9 years, he has served as Secretary, Institution of Engineers, Pakistan, and did several short courses and training in different areas. He has also worked as Coordinator Energy Security to Federal Minister for PDNR. Over the years, he has had remarkable experience in each sector. He has also served the head of Projects Wing, head of HR and admin sector of Technical Services Group, NTDC, Assistant Director in Protection and Instrumentation, Directorate of TSG, and as a project manager to set up a new independent entity, Polycarbonate Cover Plant at FESCO headquarters, and manufacturing of polycarbonate covers for single-phase and three-phase energy meters. I would like to welcome them both to start today's meeting.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear participants, sorry for starting a little late, and I thank you for your patience that you have shown, and there is a lot of turn up, and this is a Zoom meeting really, although some chairs have been set for physical presence, but people have opted for Zoom presence rather than physical one. I think this is okay, and we are getting used to online Zoom meetings. Can I be heard by everybody? Am I loud enough? Can everybody hear me all right? Can anybody tell me if
Yes, sir. You are loud and clear.
All right.
Yes,
all
sir.
right.
Yes, sir. I heard.
Okay,
We
thank
can hear
you.
you, but there is
Thank you, thank
problem,
you.
if that can be-
Yeah, I think it's nice to have a gathering who are responsive and proactive, and we like that way. In fact, this can be an interactive session, and since we have started a little late, we will combine two sessions together. In fact, in today's from 10 to 12, we thought we could cover two sessions. First session was to be addressed by me and Amir Zamir Khan Sahab, and the second session was to be addressed by Kamar Naqvi Sahab, who is present here. So let's combine these two sessions. First, let me show you the slide. Can you put the slides on? Hamad sir, please put the slides on. As we go along, Marij has described you that we are here to address this energy dispute resolution matter. And it is spread over 3 days, 10 to 12 every day. And the topics that are we supposed to cover have been listed out as well. And now I would like to go ahead with the, what is the energy system of management in Pakistan? And we are all connected to it. I believe you are all somehow or the other related to or concerned with the energy system. So just to give the beginners an introduction, really, let's see who are the people, who are the agencies involved, who are the actors in this field. So is the screen visible to everybody? Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Visible.
Right. Now,
Yes, screen is
okay.
Yes, it is visible, sir.
Abatsa, let's go to the other slide. These are the topics which we hope to cover, and Marij has also already told you about. And these are the session speakers. The list of them, I think Marij has already talked about them. So let us look at the actors of energy system in Pakistan. Who are the actors really? Look at their logos. We are quite impressed. There's quite a group of agencies and authorities around who all work together to look after the energy system in Pakistan. And this is kind of a diagram. And if you see on the top is the government of Pakistan, the Ministry of Water and Power, and Pakistan Atomic Energy. Ministry of Water and Power is now split into two, as you all know. There is Ministry of Energy and Ministry of Water Resources. Anyway, so we have Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission and NEPRA. Will all briefly go through them to see, what role they all play in this energy system. WAPDA, as we all know, and it's